Cheers! Happy birthday! Nami karon din sa park. Na birthday pod. Kay may lailing nga diri kung kay kauban, wa kay mga kaila. Dapat nami sa park karon. Muna yung park. Here, park. Nasi Lisa. Happy birthday! Tara. Kami dito sa isa ka cottage. Na birthday me. Cheers! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sige, I love you. Miss you. Bye! Happy birthday!
Hello pa, happy birthday. Wish you good health and more travel. Makauban na si Mama sa atong travels. Singapore or any part of the world. Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, King! Happy birthday! I wish you always good health and more blessing to come. Tsaka patuloy mo lang enjoy ang buhay mo. Mag-travel o akong wish pa nga makasuroy pa kitang tatlo ni Nuning sa Sambales Pohon. Happy birthday o God bless.
Hello, King. Happy birthday, King. Kita na lang duha na bilhin sa mga akademya na lalaki. Anyway, I'm happy for you. Another milestone, another challenges in our life. Dire ko sa likod sa balay. And then kabalo ko nga you're happy with your family, and hopefully we will be meeting this year by August. Muli making mga August 18, pero napami asikasuhon. Anyway, I love you, King, and all the best in your life. I'm happy for you, and see you by maybe September. Thank you, King, and regards to your family. All the best. Thank you, King. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Uncle! Happy birthday, to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Cole! Stay happy and healthy. God bless you.
Hello, Uncle King. This is Kim. Happy birthday po. Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with all the things that bring you happiness. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Ingat po